this lesson, I want to show you how to add the testimonial carousel. Sounds like something so fancy. And it is. So I like this little thingy up there, the quotation marks. So you can have multiple, so you can see a slide in there. So let's change this thing here. Let's go and delete this and choose an image. So I chose that little dog raising his hands to ask a question. I wonder what his question is. All right, so let's go over to the next one. And you can do the same thing too. Just delete this. And that's the next one. And finally, let's go to the third one. If you want to close it out, you click at the very top, you click to close it. And let's add this one too. So now you have 3 of these here. And let's close this top one, the last one out. So we go to layouts. You can have layout like this, layouts 1, 2, like this, or a layout 1, 3. And then you can have them stacked or above. You can have it left, or you can have it to the right. You can have it inline. So let's have it above like this. Pretty much whatever way that you want to have it. Now, if you don't want the quote, let's take this. If you don't want the quotation, you just click there and it's going to remove it for you. And let's go to the navigation. You have it on the outside. So move this here. And show dots, no dots. So go to the behavior. You can choose the speed and the pause on the hover. And you can have an infinite loop where it just keeps going and never stops. And then if you want to do something a little bit more, you can choose the positioning of this here. And the fun part, this is the style. This is where you have all the fun. And you click, you can change the background color. You can scroll down and you can see the border type if you want to put borders in each one. So I'm going to let you have fun with that. I'm just going to click through the image. You can choose with the spacing for it. You can move it over, and with the width, if you want it a little bit bigger, you can do that as well. That's probably too big. Scroll down and take the name. So I'm just going through each one now, each setting. And a lot of times this is what you're going to have to do. Just go through each settings and see what settings work best for you, especially when you're learning something for the first time. So feel free to go through the settings here for the quotation, for the content, for the position, and change whatever colors, take whatever off you want, and add anything that you want to do. This is your creation. So have fun with it.